There are two main ways to style widgets. One is through Style Toolbar, and the other is through the Style pane. If you need to distinguish your widgets, it is recommended that you set the widget name. Simply enter the name into the input. Then you can search for widget by name. The eye on its right represents the visibility of the widget. Click to toggle. The hidden widget is represented by yellow block. If you select multiple widgets, you can align and distribute them. Alignment includes left, center, right, top, middle, and bottom. There are vertical and horizontal distributions. Select horizontal distribution, where the widgets are evenly distributed along the baseline in the horizontal direction. And select vertical distribution, where the widgets are evenly distributed along the baseline in the vertical direction. Press the Ctrl or Command plus Z keys to undo the operations. X, Y value represents the position of the widget on the canvas. W represents the width of the widget, and H represents the height of the widget. Press the up and down arrows or enter numbers directly in the input to change them. If you click the lock icon to lock the aspect ratio of an element, the width and height will change proportionally at the same time. If it is a rectangle, we can adjust its corner radius. When the corner radius value exceeds a certain value, the rectangle becomes like an pill. By adjusting the rotation value, we can rotate a widget. The two arrows below represent fits text width or height. When selected, the width or height of the shape will automatically change according to the text size. You can see that the width of the button automatically changes when I input text. After I chose Fit to Text Height, the button height changed. We can adjust the padding value to make it better. Using Widget Style, you can quickly apply preset style to the widget. We will learn this attribute in later lesson. You can adjust the opacity of the widget by using the slider or directly entering value into the input. In typography settings, you can change the style of the text, such as font, style, size, and color. You can also change the line height of the text. You can align the text to the left, center, and right, as well as to the top, middle, and bottom. You can click the color block icon to open the color selector and select the color you want. Border properties include color, border width, pattern, arrows, and visibility. Click on Overflow buttons to set the visibility of the border in for directions. You can change the border pattern to a dashed line. Only line can set arrow, so it is disabled here. Shadows are useful for representing height. For example, Material Design uses shadows to represent the height of a widget. Check to enable shadows. Paddings are used to set the distance between text and the widget border. It is typically used in conjunction with the fit text width or height. This way, when inputting text, the padding value of the shape remains unchanged, ensuring consistency in the shape style.